Hi everyone, I'm about to show you a building around Temple University, which is located, actually the building is this 1808 North 18th Street. It's a snow day in Philadelphia. Right now I'm on 18th Street and looking toward the north. The building is located at the intersection of 18 and Montgomery Avenue, and this building has 3 units inside. Units 1, 2, and 3. We have mailbox in here, and I'm getting inside right now. And when I open the door, it is very nice. And the bright hallway, you have a light here. You do have a smoke detector here and a fire station, and also very nice feature in the building. You have a rack to store a bike. The first unit is to our left, which is unit 1. Second unit will be on the second floor. We have same kind of storage on the second floor as well, and we have a bright light in the hallway. Smoke detector on every floor. A very nice stair, beautiful rails. So the next one is unit 3. And same as the others, you have smoke detectors, and actually you have a skyline where you can get a natural light here on this floor. Alright, this is what the outside of 1808 looks like. Shortly I will show you the inside parts of the units. I hope you like this. Thank you for watching.
Okay, now we're on the 3rd floor. Okay. So we walked up the 3 flights of stairs. We're at the front door to unit 3. Above this is a nice skylight just for some natural light. And now we enter. There's a deadbolt in the door, which is great. Extra security. And then as you enter, there's one of the bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, another bedroom, and then your living area. So we'll start out here. So first things first, here's your kitchen. Great countertops, lots of storage, stainless steel appliances, oven range combo, and a microwave built in. And back here is your HVAC system, stackable washer and dryer, living area, and room to eat. Okay, a nice natural light. So it's a really big space. Tons of room, can just function however you like, but definitely large enough for a really nice sized living area. Okay, so that's the main living area. As we head back, these are your first 2 bedrooms from here. Okay, really nice sized bedroom, double closet, full size bed, room for a TV, large window, and a desk. Really function nicely. Okay, and here is your second bedroom. Double closet, hidden away a little bit, but it does run along the back. Okay. You have your full bed here. Okay. And then more than enough room for a desk. So it's very spacious and functional. Now, last but not least, you have your first full bathroom. Large stall shower. It's your second full bathroom. Vanity, toilet, and again a large stall shower with tile surround throughout. Nice tiled floors. And last but not least is your third bedroom. Okay, again, large enough to have a desk, large bed, natural light through here and in here, and then a large closet. Enough room for hang up, shelving, etc. That's the space. It's a really nice 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom apartment. Again, super spacious, comfy, and safe, and very new. Let us know if you're interested. That should rent ASAP.